Hey, thanks for joining me. So today I've decided to do something very special. It's add a new addition to my YouTube channel. And every week I will be presenting you with 3 to 4 new remote jobs in different industries that have been posted. And I will go through them quickly and leave the link in the description below so you can apply to them right away. Let's get started. So the first job here is customer service representative at Sutherland. Now, Sutherland is a global giant in the streaming media and entertainment industry. Essentially, what you're going to be doing is connecting with customers and assisting others. So if you're someone who's energized and looking for an opportunity to turn somebody's day around, are patient and empathetic, engaging and upbeat, this is the perfect job for you, okay? It starts with an attractive hourly rate of $15.25. You have paid training, generous PTO and 401k that's offered. You have a monthly recognition and incentive program. So you perform well, you get monthly incentives in this. You also get medical, dental, and vision benefits, EAP, health and wellness programs, and more. And you have a strong promote from within policy that rewards you for your talent dedication. 80% of our frontline leaders have been promoted from within. That's something they state. So if you work hard, remember this is call center starting off, but if you work hard, you can always move up to a manager and supervisor position, which is amazing. Now, your qualification just has to be as simple as a high school diploma equivalent, ability to type 35 plus words per minute. So if you're someone who writes emails or even has just even little computer experience, you won't have a problem doing that. Minimum of 1 year of customer service experience. That can be as simple as your volunteer work, meeting with people. If you're someone who is introvert and is comfortable talking to people, you can use that as your experience, and strong written and communication skills. This job is open only to residents of the United States, and you must be authorized to work in the US in order to be considered for employment. Oh, one more quick thing. You get all the equipment provided. So it could be a desktop or laptop and monitors and so forth. Okay, so go ahead, hit that I'm interested button and you're ready to go. Okay, let's look at number 2. This is working for QVC. It's a customer service specialist, full-time. It's available in Georgia, Idaho, Virginia, Florida, South Carolina, Texas remote. So if you are located in these states, be sure to apply. The end date is January 1st, 2025. So what you'll be doing is you'll be handling a high volume of customer inquiries. You'll personalize the experience for each caller, okay? You'll answer incoming calls like confirming refunds, taking payments, and placing orders, and so forth. Now, here's a great thing about this job is that you have the opportunity for advancement across the entire network. So work hard, and you have the the opportunity to move fast within the company. Okay, you'll work a set schedule and structured day. This includes a weekly weekend set shift. Now, the hourly rate is starting at $15 per hour. Automatic increases in pay every 6 months for 2 years. That's amazing. So work hard. Every 6 months you get a pay increase, which can be performance based, $1, $2 every 6 months. I mean, if it's $2 every 6 months, by the end of your 2 years, you can be getting paid easily, $24, $25 an hour, okay? Now, some of the system requirements is important to note here. Our work from home team members need to maintain the necessary system requirements to provide a great experience for our customers. You should have a self-provided computer or laptop running a Microsoft operating system, not older than 3 years. So you can't have a Mac or Apple product, Chromebook, Surface. You're not allowed any of these. So you do have to have a PC, headsets compatible with the QVC specifications, high-speed internet connection, satellite, broadband, wireless, mobile, or dial-up services are not permitted, okay? So make sure when you look over this job description one more time, I will leave the link in the description below, that you do read through the system requirements, okay? All right, so if this is something that you're interested in and are aware of the QVC brand and would love to work with them and move up in the company, make sure you hit that apply button and get started, okay? Now, here's the special bonus that I want to talk to you about that I recommend as my number 1 program to make money online if you want to set up your own business. We have people just recently, 2 hours ago, who just got paid $100. And then we have someone here who just who says in 2021 and 2022, I averaged 16,000 months. I just had my first $20,000 a month. You can see this invoice that was just paid 2 hours ago, and another 2 hours ago 700, which is the same one. I guess in this one, this student just wanted to post that graph here. $7,250 invoice paid. Okay, we can keep going. $1,500, which was just a day ago. Here's something that's amazing. A day ago, $13,835 paid, but unpaid is $4,497. Now, I don't want to get too much into what this program is all about, but it is starting your own digital agency. If this is something you're really interested in learning more about, make sure you watch the free video. Just click on the link that says my #1 recommendation for making money online. Click on the link, watch the free in-depth video provided, and you have a booking system right underneath that you can hop on a free consultation. But hey, I can keep going with the proof. A day ago, $897. 2 days ago, I had a new client for $2,000. Here's somebody else, which was 6 days ago for $2,383. And we can keep going down the board. This is the official Facebook group for the local marketing vault that I'm showing you right here. And it is being updated every single day with new students and new invoices being paid. So now the next job we have, which is 100% remote, is from Everlight Solar. It's from $30,000 to $40,000 starting salary. This is a fully remote, full-time, entry-level evening shift position with some weekend work. Must own a Mac computer and be fluent with the Apple ecosystem. So handle high amounts of incoming calls, identify and evaluate customers' needs to deliver satisfaction, provide accurate, valid, and comprehensive information by using the right method tools. All right, now the requirements are some proven customer support experience. Again, that can be anything like volunteering or being able to previous experience networking with people in your community or work or some sort of association which gives you that experience. Okay, strong attention to detail, exceptional communication, presidential and presentation skills. Okay, and these are the hours that you will be working. Now check out these benefits: health insurance, dental insurance, vision, life, PTO, sick and safe time, paid holidays off, your salary, $30,000 to $40,000 a year. There is still time to apply to this position. I will leave the link on the bottom. This is available. This is something that you are interested in and you want to build a career in customer service and have those opportunities to move up. Finally, we have Pinnacle Group, who's looking for a call center customer service professional. The position is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. The job description is you'll be providing stakeholder strategic insight into mass business broadband, video, and voice services. Your responsibilities are conduct call observations using an online observation system, complete 100% of assigned observations. Requirement is this right here. So if you have attention to detail, prior client experience is highly preferred, working in a client call center or call center support. And over here, you need a high school degree, call center experience for 4+ years. Okay, the pay range is $20 to $24. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, you want to get started with another call center customer service type job, you can apply to. Okay, I will leave the link in the description below that you can get started with. Great. So these are the 4 jobs that I have screened and vetted for you for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have new jobs posted next week that you can quickly get an update on from my channel, and you can quickly apply and get started working 100% remotely from home. Thanks very much. Good luck. Keep your head up and keep smiling.